Good morning to all. I am Dr.A.Sethupathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Today we will go to discuss about one of the furnace, cupola and blast furnaces. So in cupola and blast furnaces are the traditional one to making to melt the metals in casting process. So the picture shows cupola furnace, how the metal will be melted and how to get the metal from the cupola furnace. So the construction cupola is cylindrical in shape and placed vertical. Its shell is made of steel. Its size is expressed in diameters and can range from 0.5 meter to 0.4 meter. So the internal walls are lined with refractory bricks. So the parts of the cupolas are for arrested. So this is the area in top of the furnace. This will be arrest or collecting the fire sparks creating by the furnace that will be arrested in the top area. Then charging door. So that is the metal and the metal melting materials like coal and some other fire materials are loaded in charging doors. Then airbag box, that is the bottom side of the cupola. So that will be creating to fire continuously in cupola furnace. The air will be getting from the compressor and or blower to flow through bottom side of the furnace. So the air will be making the coal and some other melting materials in hot condition or catching fire easily and continuously. So that next part is tweezers. So that is the bottom part of the cupola furnace. It will be a small pieces fixing inside the cupola furnace. Then tap hole, that is the molten metal come out from furnace. That area is called tap hole or tapped from the molten material from the furnace. Another one is slag hole. The metal slags are removing in that area. So these are all the main parts of the cupola furnace. So the cupola will be getting 4 zones. Then one is stack zone and preheating zone and melting zone, mostly reducing zone and combustion zone. So there are 5 zones converted into the cupola furnace. So the space between the bottom of the tuyeres and the sand bed, molten metal collected in this portion. So the tuyeres or the vents, that is the air getting outside of the cupola furnace. So that area is called tuyeres. So the zones, what are the zones is placed in this cupola furnace? Combustion zone. In this zone, the temperature is 1540 degrees centigrade to 1870 degrees centigrade. The exothermic reactions takes place in this zone. So the carbon plus oxide, carbon dioxide plus heat, then silicon plus oxide, silicon oxide plus heat. So these type of reactions getting in the combustion zone. Then reducing zone, locate between upper level of combustion zone and upper level of cockpit. In this zone, temperature is about 1200 degrees centigrade. In this zone, carbon dioxide change into carbon monoxide. So the carbon dioxide plus coke getting carbon monoxide. So this process is in the reducing zone. And melting zone, in this zone, the melting is done. It is located between preheating zone and combustion zone. The following reactions take place in this zone. So ferrous material into carbon monoxide. So the ferrous material will be getting the molten metal in that area. Preheating zone, then this zone is started from upper end of the melting zone and continues up to the bottom level of the charging load. Objective of this zone is preheat the charges from room temperature to about 1090 degrees centigrade before entering the metal charge to the melting zone. Then stack zone, the empty portion of cupola above preheating zone is called the stack. It provides the passage to hot gases to go to atmosphere from the cupola furnace. So this is the working of cupola furnace. The picture shows where the metals and charging materials will be poured and inside how the metal will be getting molten condition. So the air how to use to continuously for fire the metals and how the slag will be getting out and molten metal will be getting out. These are all clearly established in this figure. Thank you.